So we are in the middle of building a sustainable bathhouse in our backyard, which is currently being documented on the channel. But in this video, I wanted to focus on what we use for the foundation, which are these concrete deck blocks. So I'm using 9 deck blocks for approximately a 10 by 7 footprint to the bathhouse. The deck blocks are about $10 each at the big box stores. So roughly $100 for the blocks. And you also need some crushed gravel to go underneath each block to level it out. And I got another 9 bags of gravel, so 1 bag of gravel per block. And the total cost of the materials to do the foundation this way was about $130. Siding for the use of the deck blocks should be a level surface, or as level as you can get it, and have good drainage. So here you can see the site where we are putting the bathhouse on our property. It's very level ground, and it's mostly sand. There's a little bit of clay, but it has good drainage. And here I'm clearing away all the mulch and debris, so we have a nice clean surface to be able to set the blocks. Next, I marked out my foundation with some little scraps of rebar and string, so I essentially have a guide to be able to place the deck blocks and space them out evenly. Here I'm digging to recess the deck blocks down into the ground a bit. Since ours is a structure and not just a deck, I didn't want the subfloor to sit too high up off the ground. So now we have all the deck blocks in place and we're ready to work on our subfloor. Now it's in the process of using the 2x6s for your subfloor and bridging from block to block with a level that you're really going to do all the fine tuning and leveling out of your foundation. And it does take some time. I mean, each block has to be leveled out front to back and then left to right and then from block to block. But we eventually got there and we had a nice level foundation to work off of. So like I mentioned, it cost us about $130 to do the foundation like this. If you compare that to pouring a slab, not only would you have more labor, but it would be about 3 times the cost to do a 4-inch slab. If you wanted to do a 6-inch slab, you'd even need more material, and you might need to rent a mixer. So it really is a good value to use the deck blocks for a project like this. That's it for the video, guys. If you'd like to see more details on the bathhouse build, I'm going to put some links below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.